Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Demonstrate here on a 2016 Ford F-150, guys, but even if you have 15 or 17, the video may be helpful as well. You will, guys, have two fuse boxes, but the fuse box that we will need today is the one that's under the hood on your Ford F-150. And if you open the hood, okay, you can see this is your car battery right behind it. Okay, you have a fuse box. This is the cover right here. You open that cover, and once you open it, you will see your fuses will look just like that, guys. You will be on this side of the fuse box. This will be towards the windshield side. Now, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and realize that way you don't waste your time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So you can see, guys, you have different kinds of fuses, relays, and those could be really expensive or hard to find sometimes if you're in a small town. So we'll recommend get some spares and put them in the glove box, because otherwise you may be stuck in the middle of nowhere. We'll put a link where you can get the relays, fuses at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So the first fuse, guys, that we'll need to check for the transfer case, okay, will be if we come in that fuse panel right here, and we go in that line, will be 1, 2, that second fuse, that's known as fuse number 15, guys. Okay, you need to check that fuse. Then we have another fuse, guys, that we'll need to check, and it will be fuse number 40. So if you come in this row right here, 1, 2, 3, that third fuse, 15M fuse, you will need to check that one here as well. And after that, guys, okay, we're going to have another fuse in that fuse panel, okay, right here. And we're talking in this row right here, 1, 2, that second fuse, which is known as fuse number 72. Okay, you will need to check that fuse as well. And you have just one more after that, which one will be in this panel right here. And we're talking, guys, about fuse number 110. So it will be 1, 2, 3, third fuse on the very left side. You can see that 10M.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.